I don't belong to any political party. What I saw in Bangladesh, the most surprising aspect of that was while a military unit was moving for an operation, after destroying and killing people, they were taking shots by a movie camera of the dead bodies. After compelling the people to loot a shop, they were taking shots of those looters to a movie camera. And later on, when I heard and when I saw that they edited those portions and released it throughout the world and telling and showing that the Bengalis were killing non-Bengalis, and because of that chaos and confusion, they had to intervene. It was an utter lie.
জহির রায়হান কাদের কথা বলছিলেন? কোন সত্য প্রকাশ করতে গিয়ে তিনি হয়ে গেলেন নিখোঁজ? তার এই রহস্যময় নিখোঁজ হওয়ার পেছনে কি লুকিয়ে আছে জানতে সংগ্রহ করুন বাংলাদেশের বুকে ভারতীয় আগ্রাসন, বিডি বুকস থেকে।